Welcome to our discussion on the future of the Financial Information Exchange Protocol. We'll explore how this long-standing protocol continues to evolve and shape the future of global trading systems. Financial Information Exchange Protocol remains crucial in 2026, adapting to new technologies like application programming interfaces, artificial intelligence, and cloud. Despite the rise of representational state transfer application programming interfaces and WebSockets, financial information exchanges reliability and structure keep it relevant. Over 300 financial institutions still rely on it, proving it's not outdated but evolving to meet modern demands. Financial Information Exchange Protocol is crucial for global trading, facilitating order routing and execution in equities, standardized messaging in derivatives, and foreign exchange execution across institutes. Even in cryptocurrency, financial information exchange is adopted for institutional grade connectivity, underscoring its role as the backbone of financial markets. Think of financial information exchange protocol like email. It's been around for decades, universally understood and deeply embedded in institutions. It's structured and reliable. Modern application programming interfaces akin to WhatsApp offer speed and flexibility, but haven't replaced financial information exchange for formal communication. Financial information exchange remains the trusted standard for mission-critical trading. The FIX protocol is integral to the trading stack, facilitating order routing, execution reports, allocations, and post-trade workflows. Order and execution management systems rely on FIX for communication. Algorithmic trading strategies use FIX for low latency order flow, while prime brokers and clearing systems are built around FIX connectivity. Every trade follows a structured path through interconnected systems, all using financial information exchange. Orders flow from execution reports to trade execution through the financial information exchange engine and are routed via order management system/execution management system for validation and submission. This standardized flow ensures reliable communication across diverse technology stacks, with financial information exchange as the universal translator. The future of trading lies in a financial information exchange and representational state transfer application programming interfaces hybrid. This approach leverages application programming interfaces for speed and real-time data, while financial information exchange ensures order structure and compliance. Together, they meet modern trading demands, balancing speed with reliability and structure. The next generation of financial information exchange implementations focuses on achieving microsecond latency. High-frequency trading firms demand speed, and financial information exchange engines are evolving to meet this need. Colocation optimization and faster message passing, using financial information exchange transport and simple binary encoding, reduce overhead and eliminate network delays, ensuring competitive performance without sacrificing institutional structure. Order management systems are moving to the cloud, providing scalability without hefty hardware costs. Financial information exchange engines operate across distributed cloud nodes, ensuring geographic redundancy and minimal downtime. Cloud-native financial information exchange deployments offer elastic scalability during market volatility, surpassing traditional on-premise systems. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing fixed-based trading workflows. AI now detects errors and connectivity issues before they affect trades. Machine learning models optimize order routing by analyzing liquidity and latency. Predictive algorithms anticipate session drops, preventing failures. This integration creates smarter, faster, self-healing trading systems that continuously learn and improve. The future financial information exchange workflow is fully intelligent. Artificial intelligence aids every layer, with a hybrid application programming interface/financial information exchange layer, ensuring fast, structured execution. Cloud infrastructure offers scalable solutions, while real-time analytics enhance performance, forming a self-optimizing trading architecture. Today's financial information exchange systems operate in milliseconds with rigid structures and on-premise setups. Future systems promise microsecond speeds, hybrid flexibility, cloud-native infrastructure, AI-driven intelligence, elastic scalability, and automated error handling. The key takeaway is that financial information exchange evolves, enhancing reliability without replacement.